So the first thing we need to ask each other, or ask everyone in general, is where did the name Scandium come from? Scandium is a Latin symbol for Scandinavia due to the minerals in which at the time only existed in the Scandinavia peninsula. So it is a rare earth metal. So let's talk about the element symbol. The element symbol is Sc and is also in the group 3, which is also known as the lanthanides or lanthanides. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it. Which it really means it's just a rare earth metal, like I said in the previous video. Now, let's talk about scandium's atomic number and atomic mass. The atomic number is 21, and the mass is 44.956 to be exact. Its number of protons is 21, neutrons is 24, electrons is 21, just the same as the protons, and the valence electrons is 3, positive 3 to be exact. Now, we move on to the electron configuration. You must be wondering what that is because honestly I did, and so I looked it up for you. The definition of the electron configuration is the distribution of electrons of an atom or molecule in atomic or molecular orbitals. And scandium's is AR 3D exponent 1 4s exponent 2. Let's talk about the physical and chemical properties. In a room temperature, it's a solid material, so it doesn't melt or catch on fire. Its density is 2.985 gm divided by c cubed. Its melting point is 1,541 Celsius, and I co-inspired the Fahrenheit, which is 2,805.8. Its boiling point is 2,830 Celsius, which is 5,126 in Fahrenheit. So super duper hot. The color is a soft silver white, and the odor is a low metal smell. Its oxidation state is +3 and is a ionic bond, which means it basically attracts opposite. The electron gravity Pauling is 1.36, and the electron affinity is 18.1 kilograms molecule -1. And although scandium does not react with oxygen, it dissolves in heated water and dissolves in dilute hydrochloric acid. So most of you guys are probably wondering why I have a golf club, a fishing rod, and a ring. So let's get to that, which are the uses of scandium. Some of the most common uses for scandium is alloys for aerospace industrial components, which if you don't know what that is, because I didn't, it's this nice thing I like to call the spinny thingy that makes the airplane fly. Another use is a bicycle frame. It also has scandium in it. A fishing rod. A golf club. Or really it's just the iron shaft. So this part is what scandium, or what the golf club uses for scandium. Yeah, you know what I mean. And also baseball bats. Scandium iodine is used in mercury vapor lamps, which replicates sun in the studios for the film and television industry. So these beautiful lights, camera, action icons is basically what creates the sun for movies and stuff. Lastly, like I was talking about, the ring I never wear, scandium is in the blue gems. So there you go, most common uses. So in some of the elements in the periodic table, they're very toxic, so you have to wear masks, suits, and etc. Scandium is not toxic, but in some components it might be cancerogenic and is most dangerous in the working environment due to the lamps and gases that can be inhaled with air, which causes lung embolism. If I did not pronounce any of that right, I'm sorry. But like it was saying, it's not toxic, but being around it a lot is toxic. So let's talk about the history of it. Who, when, and where. So scandium was found by Lars Fredrik Nelson in 1878. Looks like a scientist to me. The location was Uppsala, Sweden, and you can find it in Scandinavia and Madagascar, which is really the only places that you can find it because it's not common. So that's the history behind it. Let's talk about where you can find it. Scandium is actually found in Earth's soil and is in 800 different minerals. So you can't really find it in the trees, the air, gases, nothing like that. It's just simply a metal inside the ground. So let's talk about the abundance. Scandium is 31st most abundant element on Earth, 22 parts per million abundance by weight in Earth's crust. Scandium is scattered thinly, so it is not easily found. Fun fact, scandium is actually 267 per gram. Like, it's so expensive for one because, like I said, it is not easily found and is one of a rare type of metals. So anything rare is obviously going to cost a lot of money. She has 2 claws. Oh, I didn't see her.